Indus Towers today's board meeting is largely focused on the first quarter of FY26 earnings. But what is disappointing here is that there won't be any dividend announcement that the company will consider. Now, if you remember in the fourth quarter result, the company had announced their board meeting and they had deferred their dividend announcement, citing that it would form a committee to decide the best way to pay back the money to the shareholders. And as per rule, what Indus Towers has been doing, that they largely pay off all the free cash flow that the company generates to the shareholders. But from Q4 till now, they have not done anything so far. And the quantum of cash that they might be having this time around is close to 5,000 to 6,000 crore rupees. And as per City Note that came in yesterday, they are saying that the no dividend is a disappointment for the stock, given the fact that dividend for Indus Towers is one of the key catalysts for the stock price. However, we have tried to analyze what would be the situation, what would be the reason why Indus Towers has not announced any dividends so far. First possibility is that the company might look to buy, might look to do some inorganic acquisition. First option is that they might look to buy the stake in an extra data center, which is controlled currently by Bharti Airtel, which owns around 76% stake, while Carlyle owns around 24% stake. And as per media reports, Carlyle is looking to sell that 24% stake in an extra data center at a valuation of around 5,100 crore rupees, which is largely the cash that Indus Towers currently has in their books. Apart from that, the other acquisition that they might look at this point of time could be something related to EV charging, a new segment which the company has recently entered. So this is the possibility when it comes to inorganic acquisition. The second possibility is a technicality related to buyback. Now, a buyback rule says that there should be a gap of nearly 12 months between two buybacks. Now, the last buyback, if you remember, completed at around August month. So company might be waiting for that period to end, and post that they might look to do a buyback is what we are understanding. So there are two possibilities in a possible inorganic acquisition or a buyback that the company might consider post August.